Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change a base of your currency in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker's website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. Hover your mouse to the top right corner and click to your profile. From there, navigate to Account Settings section. It will then take you to Account Setting page. Since I have a demo account, I don't have a account reporting or base currency option. If you have a real account, you will have account reporting or base currency section. Click on it. Then select Change Base Currency. Then change a new base currency. Then review and submit it. Once the Interactive Broker approves your submission, then your base of your currency will be changed. This is how you can change your base of currency in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.